Hey hippies, welcome back. It's Courtney Shavante if you are new here, and today we are going to be pouring some molds so that way I can go ahead and get some orders out. You guys have been flooding the new website and I am so appreciative and thankful. Make sure you continue supporting. I have some great stuff coming up that I can't wait to share with you all. As for today's video, I really want to talk to you guys about being ready to pivot as an entrepreneur and like kind of what that really means and what it's looked like for me personally. So, pivoting in entrepreneurship is essentially the act of changing your business model or changing the direction of the company or the brand. There are so many different reasons why a company or a brand may decide that it's best to go ahead and pivot. A couple of those reasons could be that the market isn't necessarily responding to the service or the product that you're offering in the way that you thought they would. It could be that the company just simply isn't profitable and that they're not generating enough revenue to really stay afloat and to see long-term success. It could also just simply be that they're facing competition from someone new in the market. So maybe someone else has come out with a similar product, but it's more cost efficient. So they're able to like really undercut the price, or maybe it's just a better all concept of the idea that the person originally had. And there are literally a million and one different reasons that could force a brand to pivot and change direction. Earlier in the beginning of my resin journey, I was more focused on sales of my products. I focused a lot on ashtrays, custom pipes, clips, just kind of things like that. But when I had my Shopify storefront, I ran into an incident where I lost my payment processor due to the nature of my products. And at the time, it was so devastating. I didn't know like really what to do next or exactly how to handle everything. But at the end of the day, if that never happened, I probably never would have started taking my YouTube channel more seriously and being more consistent with my content and just kind of showing the behind the scenes of how I create my work. That pivot really completely changed like the projection of my brand and my company, and in a very positive and major way. Like the fact that I have over 4,000 subscribers right now and it just continues to grow every day really just blows my mind. This has been the quickest growth that I have seen just due to that one decision that I made. Pivoting may be scary, but sometimes it's so necessary. I hope this video was helpful for someone. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will catch you next time, hippies. XO. Mwah.